My name is Christina Renee, and I know I say that on just about every video, but I feel like if 1,000,000 people haven't seen my videos, then nobody really knows who I am. And I am founder and owner of Brown Hair. I'm making this video to document my journey with my business. And while I have a lot of anxiety, that's why I keep pausing the video to really woosah and get myself together. I've decided to become the face of my brand. Now this is difficult for me because I feel like I'm not society's version of beautiful, but I'm more of a conventional type of beautiful, which is not everybody's cup of tea, and I'm fine by that. So I had a mini photo shoot in my dining room, in the corner of my dining room with my iPhone. So I'm gonna put the pictures on here and you can comment below on how you think I did. I feel like I should warn you that it's really colorful and 70s-ish. So don't eat me up in the comments. So those are the pictures, and I am willing to take all constructive criticism. So if you know any cool programs I can use for editing, because I used Canva and I used Adobe, but if you know anything else that's better than both of them, let me know. If you recommend any cameras, if you recommend any lightings, just comment it below and follow me. I'll follow you back. I promise I will, because I really have no followers, and right now I'm just trying to get to 1,000 so I can sell wigs online like you nice. Also, it would be love if you can sell me out. I'm offering a 20% discount as well as free shipping on all orders for the entire summer. For the entire summer, because we're trying to be outside, right? Anyway, thanks for watching. Peace.